Goodbye swelling. 6 uncommon collagen-rich foods you must eat for your legs and joints. Senior health tips.
Have you noticed your legs or knees swelling more than they used to? Maybe after a long walk, your ankles feel heavy, or your knees start clicking when you climb the stairs. Here's something most people don't realize, that swelling, stiffness, and joint pain are not just aging. They're your body's cry for collagen, the natural glue that keeps your bones, joints, and skin strong. But here's the real shocker. Collagen supplements alone won't fix it. The secret to real healing lies in what you eat every day. Today, I'll show you 6 powerful collagen-rich foods that Japanese and Korean elders eat to keep their knees flexible, their skin youthful, and their energy high, all backed by science and real-life results. And wait till you hear about number 1. It's something most people throw away, yet it's used by surgeons for joint repair. Before we start, where are you watching from today? Comment your country below. I love seeing where our Green Health family is tuning in from. Also, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe to Green Health channel if you're yet to, and remember to turn on your notification bell. Why collagen is your body's invisible support. By age 50, your body produces up to 30% less collagen than it did in your youth. That means your joints lose their cushion, your tendons weaken, and even your skin starts to sag. When collagen runs low, these signs often appear: morning stiffness or knee cracking, swollen ankles after walking, pain when bending or kneeling, tired, heavy legs. But here's the good news. Your body can rebuild collagen naturally when you feed it the right amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, found in special foods. According to a 2023 study in the Journal of Nutritional Health and Aging, seniors who increased their dietary collagen had up to 40% better mobility and 30% less joint pain in 8 weeks. That's why the following foods are so powerful. They don't just mask the pain, they repair your joints from the inside out. Number 1, rooster comb, the natural joint lubricant. Now, let's start with one of nature's best-kept secrets, the rooster comb, that red crown on top of a rooster's head. It might surprise you, but the rooster comb is one of the richest sources of hyaluronic acid, a natural compound that keeps your joints lubricated, your cartilage smooth, and your skin hydrated. Doctors actually extract hyaluronic acid from rooster combs to make joint injections used in arthritis treatment. That's how powerful it is. When simmered slowly in soups or broths, the rooster comb melts into a gel full of collagen and joint-healing nutrients. Benefits for seniors: reduces joint friction and stiffness, improves leg circulation, keeps your skin plump and youthful. Tip: add 1 small rooster comb when making chicken broth. Cook it gently for 2 to 3 hours. It breaks down into a nutrient-rich liquid gold for your joints. Number 2, chicken feet, grandma's anti-inflammatory secret. You've probably seen your grandmother boil chicken feet, right? She was onto something powerful. Chicken feet are loaded with type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen, the same building blocks found in your skin, joints, and ligaments. When you simmer them for hours, they release gelatin, glycine, and proline, nutrients that rebuild joint cartilage, improve flexibility, and reduce inflammation. A study in clinical interventions in aging found that collagen-rich chicken broth reduced arthritis pain by up to 37% in older adults after just 4 weeks. Benefits: strengthens weak knees and ankles, reduces swelling and stiffness, promotes smoother skin and stronger nails. Preparation tip: boil chicken feet for 3 to 4 hours with turmeric, garlic, and apple cider vinegar. The vinegar helps extract more collagen from the bones and skin. Number 3, fish skin, marine collagen that absorbs 1.5 times faster. If you've been throwing away your fish skin, stop right now. You're wasting pure collagen gold. Fish skin is packed with marine collagen peptides, which are smaller and more easily absorbed than bovine or pork collagen. That means it works faster to repair tissues, ease inflammation, and restore joint strength.
Benefits:
faster absorption for joint repair, reduces swelling in knees and ankles, supports youthful, firm skin, boosts bone density and flexibility. Try eating the crispy fish skin from mackerel, salmon, or tilapia, or add it to soups and stews for an extra collagen boost.
4. Sea cucumber, the ocean's collagen treasure. Now, here's an uncommon superfood. Sea cucumber. This marine creature is one of the richest natural sources of collagen and chondroitin sulfate, the same compound found in joint supplements. In traditional Chinese medicine, sea cucumber is used to relieve arthritis pain, leg swelling, and fatigue. Benefits? Rebuilds cartilage and connective tissue, improves circulation, reduces inflammation and stiffness. Tip: it's often dried and soaked before cooking in soups or stews. Even small amounts weekly can make a noticeable difference in flexibility. Number 5, duck feet, the forgotten gelatin source. Duck feet might look unusual, but they're a collagen powerhouse, similar to chicken feet, just with a higher fat content that helps joint lubrication. Rich in gelatin, calcium, and elastin, they support strong bones and supple skin. Benefits? Relieves joint dryness, improves mobility, supports smoother, glowing skin. Preparation: boil duck feet for 3 to 4 hours with ginger and vinegar. The broth turns into a collagen-rich jelly when cooled, a true healing food. Number 6, vitamin C, the collagen activator. Collagen foods alone aren't enough. Your body needs vitamin C to turn those proteins into actual collagen fibers. So always pair your collagen meals with guava, bell peppers, lemon, or orange slices. Benefits? Speed up collagen production, reduces inflammation and swelling, supports immune health. Without vitamin C, even the best collagen food won't work properly. Faith and healing reminder. Remember, your body was beautifully designed by God to heal and renew itself. Even at 60 or 70, your cells can rebuild when you feed them life-giving foods and speak health over your body. I will restore health unto you, and I will heal you of your wounds, says Jeremiah 30:17. So each time you cook, whisper, Lord, thank you for healing my joints, my legs, my life. That simple faith activates hope, peace, and healing. If this video blessed you, hit that like button and share it with someone over 50 who's struggling with joint pain. Comment below, which of these collagen foods will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe for more senior natural health tips right here on Green Health. Thank you for watching till the end, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Green Health cares.